When we look up at the night sky, we often see beauty, shining stars, glowing moons, and the endless darkness of space. But behind that beauty hides danger. Deadly, silent, and indifferent to human life, the cosmos is full of threats that could end civilization in the blink of an eye. The truth is, we are incredibly fragile. Earth floats like a tiny island in the ocean of space, surrounded by forces so immense that even our most powerful weapons are like toys compared to them. Yet most people live their lives unaware that at any moment, an asteroid, a burst of radiation, or the pull of a black hole could wipe out everything we know. Governments and space agencies know this. They monitor the skies constantly, searching for threats, but how much do they really tell us? If a giant asteroid were on a collision course with Earth, would they warn us in time? Or would they hide the truth to avoid panic? In this chapter, we will explore the terrifying realities of space threats, the rocks racing through our solar system, the invisible killers of radiation, the monsters known as black holes, and the haunting possibility that intelligent life beyond Earth could be the greatest danger of all. Brace yourself. What you are about to hear may change the way you look at the stars forever. The most immediate and realistic cosmic threat comes from asteroids, massive rocks hurtling through space, relics from the birth of our solar system. Most orbit safely around the Sun, but every so often, one crosses paths with Earth. We know this can happen because it already has. Around 66 million years ago, an asteroid about 10 kilometers wide slammed into Earth near modern-day Mexico, creating the Chicxulub crater. The impact released the power of billions of nuclear bombs, throwing dust into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight, and wiping out nearly 75% of life on Earth, including the dinosaurs. Now imagine if such an event happened today. Cities would vanish instantly. Tsunamis would destroy coastlines. Global temperatures would plummet as sunlight was blocked for years. Civilization itself might not survive. NASA and other agencies track thousands of near-Earth objects, NEOs. They assure us that none pose an immediate threat. But here's the problem: space is vast, and we've only detected a fraction of the rocks out there. Some estimates suggest we've spotted less than 40% of the potentially dangerous asteroids larger than 140 meters. That means there could be hundreds of unknown planet killers silently racing through the void right now. Even smaller asteroids can be catastrophic. In 1908, a meteor about 50 meters wide exploded over Tunguska, Siberia, flattening 80 million trees across 2,000 square kilometers. If that same rock had struck a major city, millions would have died instantly. In 2013, a much smaller meteor, just 20 meters across, exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. The shockwave shattered windows across the city, injuring 1,500 people. So here's the terrifying truth: it's not a question of if an asteroid will hit Earth again, it's a question of when. Governments are preparing. NASA has tested its DART mission, successfully crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid to change its orbit. But what they don't tell us is that if a truly massive rock were discovered just months away from impact, there would be little to nothing we could do. Would they warn us in time? Or would they simply keep quiet, letting humanity live its last days in ignorance? Would they warn us in time? Or would they simply keep quiet, letting humanity live its last days in ignorance? The terrifying truth is that our place in the universe is far more fragile than most of us want to believe. We live under the constant shadow of cosmic forces that don't care about our survival, forces that have already reshaped life on Earth once, and could do so again without warning. That's why it's so important to stay curious, to keep asking questions, and to uncover the truths hidden beyond the stars. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries of our world and the universe. Your support helps us bring you even deeper into the secrets they don't want you to know.